Hello, I'm Mark Wilkinson. I'm the MD of Laserbeam Products. We're an optical manufacturing company near Cambridge in England. We've been established 25 years. We're here at one of our many trade shows today to show off our range of metal mirrors. One of the most important things about our products is they're conventionally polished. They're not diamond machined. And the beauty of this means that the surfaces are extremely smooth. They don't have the machining artifacts you get with SPDT technology. There's no rings, there's no diffraction pattern, and there's no scatter. The importance of this is it allows them to be used at wavelengths outside the infrared. So we've customers who are using them at 200 nanometers wavelength, in the visible, in the near infrared, the infrared, and right out through terahertz. It does mean you don't have to use fused silica at these other wavelengths. You can use metal mirrors with all the benefits that they bring. Thinking about the types of metal we work, there's almost nothing that we can't polish, but probably the most important material for us is copper. Copper's widely used with high-powered lasers, CW and pulse lasers, so that's CO2 primarily, but fiber lasers, the new laser technology that's coming in, erbium YAG for dental and medical uses, and more recently QCLs, which are being used in the 2-4 micron range, and they're becoming quite a technology too. So the other materials we use would be molybdenum. It's a very hard, durable metal. We polish that. Aluminium, which tends to be used for lightweight and scanning applications. And then other rather unusual things like stainless steel, hardened steel, tungsten carbide, silicon carbide, and to be honest, some free issue alloys and the like, which we're not sure what they are, but we've had no problems in polishing these sort of materials on an experimental basis for our customers. Thinking about coatings, it's possible to use most of our mirrors uncoated, so copper possibly, molybdenum certainly, but we can offer the whole range of metal coatings, or coatings on metal, that you would think of with glass mirrors. So protective aluminium, that tends to be used in the UV, protected silver for the visible and near infrared, and then all dielectric coatings for maximum reflectance at a particular wavelength, or even polarization causing effects such as λ/4 phase retarders. Most of our mirrors though are sold with our own proprietary gold coating that we do in-house, and that's an electroplated technique. It never peels, it never flakes, and it coats the whole mirror. So it offers broadband reflectivity in the infrared from about 1 out to, well, the terahertz band, but it's also chemically very inert, and it covers the entire mirror. So that's quite popular for gas cells and pharmaceuticals and brewing, you know, where there is some sort of chemical contact to the application. And finally, just to emphasize why metal mirrors are probably better than glass mirrors in many ways, especially now with our polishing techniques, you can use them at different wavelengths. Our motto is, if it can be engineered, we can turn it into a mirror. So they can have tapped holes, they can have brackets, screw threads, dowel holes, internal water cooling, datum surfaces. It's so much easier to engineer a mirror complete with its mounting and alignment than buy a glass optic and then have to buy the separate mount and all the issues that go around with that. So that's us, Laserbeam Products. Our website is www.lbp.co.uk, and you can email us online. We're also on Twitter, that's @LaserMirror, and you can find us on Facebook as well.